dribbling the ball.
Rafael.
Pass to jersey number 34 to jersey number 1. Teardrop. Naglilap lang sa ring. Na-rebound sa jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 23.
217. Up. Unay mo step sa tikang mo.
The jersey number 13, pass to 27, long 3 points. No good. Remember jersey number 34, but that's a whistle foul. One out of two.
12-17. Galarpe.
Now jersey number 23. Pass to 30 in the middle. Forward jump and no good. The rebound by jersey number 3. Oh, the last 2 points. Now jersey number 6.
19-12.
Behind the back. Pass to jersey number 13. Back to 27. To 13. Now dribbling the ball. 10 to shoot. Nice pass. Tala. Pau, yellow ball. 5 to shoot. 10, 2 points.
14-18.
Now jersey number
naman.
23.
Favor of San Rafael.
Pass to 30. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 13. Now jersey number 13 behind the back. Pass to jersey number 1. Nice pass. Off the glass. Patalian niya. Na-rebound si jersey number 17. Now jersey number 23.
Galarpe.
Screen by jersey number 30. Drop pass to 17.
Kaplan.
To 23. 10 to shoot. In the middle, jersey number 30. 2
Basket by
points.
Espinosa. 14-21.
Oh, 21-14. San Rafael. Now jersey number 13. Pass to 27.
Rebellion.
To the middle, jersey number 1. Nice pass. Oh, the last 2 points.
16-21.
Now jersey number 23, dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 30 to the corner.
Cordova.
Pull up jumper, no good. And rebound taken by jersey number 30, oh, the 2 points.
Back to back by Espinosa.
Now jersey number
16-23.
30. Pass to the corner, attacking the basket, jersey number 6, block last 2 points.
18-23.
Now jersey number 23. Screen, drop pass to jersey number 17. Pull up jumper, man, friendly bounce, 2
By
points.
Caplan.
25-18. Now jersey number 34 to jersey number 6. Block! Now jersey number 23.
Score 18-25.
Pass to 17. 3-point attempt. No good. The rebound taken by jersey number 1. Pass to 13. Now jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the basket. Layup. No good. The rebound by jersey number 30 to 23 to jersey number 10. Coast to
Cordova.
coast. Teardrop. 2
Basket. By
points.
Cordova. 27-18.
Oh, 27-18. 5 minutes and 20. Now jersey number 6. 234. 3-point attempt.
For 3.
Yes, sir!
By Sean.
3 points! Ano mabansin? Now jersey number 23. Screen by jersey number 30. Pass to 17. Fake. Pull up jumper, kick out. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6. Pass to 13. Now jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. To jersey number 27. 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound by taken by jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 23. to jersey number 13 in the middle. Pull-up jumper. Bang!
Set by Espinosa. 29-21.
29-21. Jersey number 1 fake off the glass. Kapos. Nakuha si jersey number 03. Pass to jersey number 23. Screen by jersey number 30. Kick out to the corners. Jersey number 17. No good. Rebound by jersey number 10. No, nabilap. Wow!
21.
O basket. One out of two. 30-21, Jambanse. 3 minutes and 50. The second quarter. Now jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 6. Attacking the basket. Another block. Same. Ayo, JST sabi ako. Tabunin mo. Ay, hindi. Hindi kita. O, another block. The jersey number 23. No good. The jersey number 13. Pass break. Aray ko. Taway-taway.
Basket.
O, bitawan siya. Bito.
Wala. 23-30.
Tabo, nibigay kami dito. Ito pa yung kamusta nga. Lagi na ba sa way? Ito ka mo di blang. Para makita kami daw. Hindi kami di kakita dahil sa side nyo. The jersey number 34. Foul! Basket count! A 3-point play.
Defense play. 30-25.
The jersey number 23, screen by jersey number 30. 3-point attempt. No good. A rebound taken by jersey number 10.
Got the ball.
Pass to jersey number 23. 10 to shoot. Side step. Drop pass.
Got the
2
ball.
points. Now jersey number 13.
32-26.
Pass to 23. Screen by jersey number 16. Attacking the basket. Layup. 2 points.
By Gonzalez.
O 32-28. Apat lang ah.
Jonas Gonzalez.
Now jersey number 23.
28-32.
Screen by jersey number 30.
Galarpe to
Pass to 17.
Netablan.
Back to 23. 2-point attempt. No good. The rebound taken by jersey number 19. Pass to 34 to 13.
Tormon.
1 minute and 30. Jersey number 23. Screen by jersey number 34. Attacking na siya. Pull up jumper. Drop pass to 19. Nice pass. O, 2-1 na lang abanse. 30-32. 1 minute and 20.
30-32.
O, 2-1 na lang. Jersey number 23. 10 to shoot. Jump ball. Same ball. Step in the line pa.
1 minute 3 seconds.
1 minute. Jersey number 23. Drop pass na. Still out of bounds. 49. Jersey number 23. 40. 10 to shoot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. Kapos. Follow up. 2 points.
34-30.
25. Jersey number 23. Attacking the basket. Pass to jersey number. Foul. Foul. One out of two. Nakuha si jersey number 19. Offensive. 14.
34-31.
10. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number. There's a foul. Block. Another block. 1 second.
That's the end.
End of the second quarter. O gamay Mansi, tatlo lang ah.
4-31.
34-31. San Rafael.
San Rafael.